Okay guys, 2025 Rivian R1T. Present you from Real Deal Auto. This is a large battery, dual motor, rebuilt title. Damage a little bit on this bedside over here. Tailgate, a little bit. This headlight, these parts were removed. Headlight was original, grill was original, fender was original. It didn't look like the support was even touched. Black. Does have the shade covering the big glass roof. It is a big roof. Start it up. Heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel. $330 projected. And that's on what drive mode? Cameras 360. Let's see, we gotta go to about here. Settings. About. So 19,156 on the miles. Dual large adventure package. Autonomy is driving. Large pack. You can control your air, heated seats back here. I believe there's cup holders in here. This does have the power bed. These R1Ts have these really cool storages. Go all the way across the other side. These are strong enough to sit up, stand on, make good little seats. It's got pretty good tires. Oh, trunk. Power. Sucks all the way in there. This thing comes up, more storage in there, big old tub. Oh, damage was here in the rear. We didn't clean that very well. But we still like to show you underneath. There's nothing to hide. Can't get everything perfect here, cleaning it up, but you can see everything looks good under there. Damage, frankly, had a little dent in here. Rear bumper was removed and they had to do some painting over here. This room does have a little gouge in it that we fixed up. This is just stuff that will come off, the little blue, but this is the gouge right here. That's a full glass roof. You take that cover off.